Home maintenance, simple tools for cost savings. Hey enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all of you looking to save some money on home maintenance. We'll show you some basic tools and their uses, helping you tackle small maintenance tasks around your home. Let's dive right in. According to the Home Advisor's 2020 State of Home Spending Report, the average American homeowner spent around $13,138 on home improvement and repairs in 2018. This figure includes both DIY projects and professional services. It's worth noting that the amount can vary significantly depending on factors such as the size of the home, its age, the region, and the specific maintenance or improvement needs. First things first, you'll need a basic tool set, which includes a screwdriver, hammer, adjustable wrench, pliers, tape measure, and a level. These tools are versatile and will prove handy in numerous situations. The trusty screwdriver. Use it to tighten loose screws on furniture, appliances, and electrical outlets. It's a simple fix that can save you from expensive repairs. The hammer. A classic tool. Perfect for driving nails when you want to hang pictures. Lubricating squeaky hinges and door locks. Wrapping up with just a basic tool set, you can tackle many small maintenance tasks around your home, saving you money on professional services. Remember, safety is paramount, so don't hesitate to ask for help or call a professional for more complex tasks. If you enjoyed this video, or perform light demolition work. Host, holding an adjustable wrench. The adjustable wrench is your go-to tool for loosening or tightening nuts and bolts of various sizes. No more leaky faucets or wobbly furniture. Pliers are versatile, allowing you to grip, turn, and cut wires. They also come in handy for holding small objects tightly. A tape measure ensures you get precise measurements for furniture placement, hanging curtains, and more. The level helps you make sure everything is straight and perfectly aligned. Before you start any maintenance task, don't forget your safety goggles and gloves. Protecting your eyes and hands is crucial. Now let's put these tools to work with some common maintenance tasks. Tightening loose cabinet handles, fixing a wobbly chair, hanging a picture frame, sealing gaps around windows and doors to prevent drafts, fixing small leaks around plumbing fixtures, using duct tape and lubricant spray for quick fixes on minor leaks. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, happy DIYing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your own home maintenance tips, leave a comment down below. Stay tuned for our next video and take care. Merge Profit Digital Marketing Agency.